for skin rendering, you have to draw basic croquis. You can do it with any pose. And color material is very important. I'm using this camel watercolor. So, taking brown color, this shade of brown I'm taking for the skin rendering, and coat a even layer on every part of the skin that is exposed. What important trick is that you just have to manipulate the strokes. This is the most important trick of the skin rendering by watercolor. You have to manipulate strokes according to the lights and shades. Also, take care of how much water you are adding on. So always you have to be careful while adding water. So doing a even coat of brown color all over the hands, face, tummy, and the legs. You can also do it with poster color. You can get the brown shade in the poster color. I recommend you people for camel poster color. That is really nice brand. Doing a even tone all over the legs. Look, be careful while using water. One side I have done a bit of dark and other little bit light on the leg, as you can see. Skin rendering is very essential part of fashion illustration, so you must have good knowledge and good hand at this. So you can see the basic brown coat is done all over the skin part. Now with the same color, with the same brush, you have to give the jaw lines, neckline, cleavage, everything. Look, I have given shade in the cheek. You have to give it with very light hand with bit of water. You have to just give a touch of water to merge on the neckline and then shoulders, outline and then merge. The basic concept of rendering with watercolor is outline and merge, as you can see. Draw the cleavage and give shades, collarbone, you can see I'm doing it with the same color. And what is the difference now is I'm using less water, very less water in the brush, because we are outlining it. We are giving dark shades right now, so we are using less of water. That's why we are getting this dark shade. Merge with very less water. Perfect. You can see the effects of skin is coming out very well. The light and the dark effect. The detailings are coming out very well. And this all can happen only with the manipulation of strokes. and the ratio of water you are using. Outlining and then merging it, making the brush with wet and merge. At the knee point, you have to just show a little bit of curve as I have done to show the knee point and outlining the remaining part. Perfect. You need to be very careful while doing this, while outlining especially. If your hand just shakes, the sheet, the illustration can ruin. So be careful while outlining. Coming to the next leg. Okay, curve on the knee and outline. You can see the difference before and after, how it was before when we have just coated a single layer and how it has become now when we have given the shades with the same color using very less water. This is how we do render everything. Main thing we have to keep in mind is where light can fall and where the dark effects are coming. As you can see, I've given the dark effect in the on the knee, and this is ready. How awesome it is looking. Let me know in the comments you guys loved it or not, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.